Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which is very useful for our literature review writing. So in this week, we are going discussing different types of tools that is used for literature review, where you can upload your reference paper and get your literature review using these tools. So in this video, we are going to see the same kind of tools where you can upload your research paper and that research paper will be analyzed for your literature review. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and application. In this workshop, we are going to model and design LNC parameters of buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with this buck and boost converters. So, and also we are going to incorporate with input that is renewable energy sources, that is PV and wind as renewable energy sources, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. So these are the step-by-step process that how a converter can be useful for us to make our application very better. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested to know more about converters, so this is the right opportunity for you. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that this is the AI tool docanalyzer.ai. So it is used to analyze your document as like many of the AI tools will do. So let us see how this doc analyzer is trained and how it will generate a better literature review for our research paper writing using our references. So let us go on to today's video. So this is the dashboard of this doc analyzer AI. So in this you can see that overview of every document that you are analyzed. So here you can upload and analyze that your paper. So here just click on that. So here you can see drop your PDF here. So browse, and I am going to upload a paper here. So this is the paper. So go to desktop. So this is the paper I am going to upload. So this is the paper. In order to get a better understanding about that paper, I am going to show you that paper. So this is the paper I have uploaded, that is economic integration of renewable energy and conventional power sources, a case study. So this is the paper I have uploaded, so you can get a better view of this paper. So this is related with that economic integration of renewable and conventional power source, a case study for that. So here go to that particular document. So here you can see that you can click on chat now. So just click on chat now. So you can ask question. So what is the outcome of this case study? So like that I am going to ask a question to that particular paper. So let us see how this AI will generate answer for us. So here you can chat. So here you can see that the content is generated. The case study discussed in the document economic integration of renewable and conventional power sources. A case study focuses on the design of an optimal microgrid to ensure uninterrupted energy supply to Mirpur University, that is in Pakistan, at low cost, utilizing reliable energy sources. The study involves modeling and hybrid renewable energy microgrid that integrates solar PV, battery bank, diesel generator to meet the energy demands of the university. The study emphasizes the importance of economic feasibility, reliability and environmental sustainability. So like that it will generate that is content for us. So like that you can ask any questions you want related with that particular paper. So here I am going to try out with another document. So I am going to delete this document I have uploaded, delete that document. So after that you can upload a new document here. So here maximum file size up to 10 MB. For up to 10 MB you can upload. So here I am going to upload this paper, that is this Hack 2012. So here you can see this is the paper I have uploaded. So it will take time to add. So here in order to get a better understanding, I am going to show you what is the paper I have uploaded. So this is the paper I have uploaded, dual active bridge and matrix converter based 3-port converter topology for grid interactive PV battery system. So this is the paper I have uploaded. For take that is as your reference paper. So click on chat now. So here I am going to ask a question that summarize the paper and give a literature review of this paper. So like that I am going to give an input prompt and I am going to ask a question. So let us see how this paper will be analyzed and generate a better answer for us. So like that you can download your reference papers, and from that reference papers you can use this kind of document analyzer to analyze your document. Here you can see that. So the technical paper presents a novel isolated 3-port converter designed for this topology, allows all possible power flow. This is very important. The technical paper titled Dual Active Bridge, that is the title of the paper, presents a novel isolated, what it will presents a bidirectional single phase 3-port converter for what is the purpose? For grid interactive renewable PV system integrating battery storage and load grid. So this is how a literature review must contain. A literature review must contain a proper citation of that particular document, and then what it says and what it is used for. So it says it is a 3-port converter and it is used for this grid interactive renewable energy power system. So integrating PV, battery storage and load grid. Next important thing is that what are the important things available, what are the components, how it will works, that is very important. This topology allows all possible power flow between 3 ports while ensuring galvanic isolation and also single stage power conversion. So this is the important point. So next one is the paper discusses the configuration, operation, power flow modes and the modulation and control strategies of the proposed converter. Simulation results demonstrate the successful operation of the system and the potential for independent power flow control among the ports. So this is how a literature review will be. A literature review must consist of a proper citation, so what it will focus and what is the where it is used for, and then what is the important focus, that is what are the main things present in that particular methodology. So that is what has to showcase in that literature review. So it generate a better literature review from this paper. So just upload your paper and get a literature review within seconds using this kind of tools. So like that you can make use of this option in these tools to generate a better literature review. So in this I am going to ask another question. So what is the control technique, or I am going to ask explain the control technique adapted in this paper. So like that I am going to ask a question, explain the control technique adapted in this paper. So you can ask a question like this. So here it will take several seconds to generate the content. So let us see how it will generate. So because when you are analyzing your reference paper, the important thing is that what is the important control technique present in them. So here a detailed explanation of the control technique related with the paper is generated. Here you can see that the control technique adapted is discussed paper involves using a phase angle control method to regulate the real power flow between 3-port converters of the proposed isolated bidirectional single phase 3-port converter. This control technique is crucial for efficient managing power flow in grid interactive systems. So here you can see that power flow control, phase shifted square waves, modulation and control, zero voltage switching. So this is how it will analyze that particular document and generate a detailed analysis of what are all the control technique adapted in this paper. So this is how you have to give an input prompt and get a better answer out of this particular paper. There are many AI tools present as like this kind of tools, that is you can upload your PDF and generate answer. The important thing is that how you ask questions, that is very important. So you have to give a better prompt to generate a better results. So these prompts will work out for you to make a better literature review for your research paper writing. So this is all about this doc analyzer. So here as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see that you can use up to 3 uploads per day and 20 questions per day, 120 pages per document, multi-document chats 10 pages per day, 10 MB per document, 100 MB storage. So these are the different options available. You can avail it for free. So you can make use of this option in this doc analyzer to generate a better content for your research paper writing. This is all about this doc analyzer. Go on and explore this doc analyzer with your research prompts. That is the prompt we have discussed today, and get a better solution out of it. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.